Scene script? Imagine biting into a dish that explodes with flavor and perfect texture. What if I told you the secret might just be steam? In the heart of many professional kitchens, the steam oven stands as a culinary champion. Unlike traditional ovens, steam ovens use the gentle embrace of water vapor to cook. This method not only preserves the intense flavors and delicate textures of foods, but also retains more nutrients. From succulent meats to vibrant vegetables, the results are consistently astonishing. Now, let's dive into how a steam oven might just revolutionize your cooking. While the traditional oven has been a faithful kitchen companion, the steam oven brings a new dimension to cooking. Let's delve into how this modern marvel stands apart from its conventional counterpart. Traditional ovens have long been the cornerstone of kitchen cooking, employing hot air to bake, roast, and broil our favorite dishes. However, this method often comes with a drawback. The intense heat can strip away moisture, leaving some foods dry or overcooked. Enter the steam oven, which introduces a game-changing element: moisture. By using steam rather than dry heat, these ovens maintain the natural juiciness and tenderness of foods, from succulent roasts to vibrant vegetables. Not only does the steam preserve moisture, but it also locks in flavors and nutrients that are often lost in conventional cooking. This means that dishes not only taste better, they're also potentially healthier. Furthermore, the even distribution of steam ensures that food is cooked more uniformly, eliminating those dreaded cold spots often found in reheated leftovers. Versatility is another hallmark of the steam oven. Whether you're baking soft and airy bread, roasting a tender chicken, or simply reheating last night's pizza, the steam oven handles it all with aplomb. The moisture control also prevents the sogginess typically associated with microwave reheating, ensuring that the texture of your food remains intact. Clearly, the steam oven offers a gentler yet efficient way to cook. But what does this mean for your everyday meals? Think about the last meal that felt a bit too dry or lacked flavor. Could a steam oven have been the hero? Imagine swapping out your conventional oven for a steam oven and witnessing a revolution in your daily cooking practices. A steam oven doesn't just cook, it enhances. Let's dive into how this appliance can transform your kitchen routine. Take, for instance, your typical Sunday roast. Often, the challenge lies in keeping the meat succulent while ensuring it's thoroughly cooked. This is where the steam oven comes into its own. By introducing steam during the cooking process, moisture is locked into the meat, making each slice juicier and more flavorful than you ever thought possible. Now, let's talk vegetables. We all strive for that perfect, vibrant crunch in our greens. A steam oven cooks vegetables quickly, retaining their color, nutrients, and that satisfying crunch. Forget the soggy veggies of the past. This is the future of healthy, appealing meals. What about bread? Anyone who's tried to bake at home knows the struggle of achieving that bakery-level softness. A steam oven introduces moisture at the crucial initial baking phase, giving your homemade loaves a soft interior and a perfectly crisp crust. And let's not overlook the leftovers. Reheating food in a steam oven reinfuses it with moisture, making yesterday's meals taste freshly cooked without the dryness typical of microwaves. The transformation in meal quality is clear, but let's consider how a steam oven fits into your kitchen and lifestyle. Embracing new kitchen technology is exciting, but it's essential to consider if it's the right fit for you. Steam ovens are no exception. They've been gaining popularity for their ability to cook food evenly and retain nutrients. But are they the perfect addition to your kitchen? Let's dive into some considerations. Firstly, think about the space in your kitchen. Steam ovens require a bit of room, and they come in various sizes. If your kitchen is already crowded, a smaller model or a combination steam convection oven might be more suitable. It's all about finding a balance between functionality and space. Next, reflect on your cooking habits. Do you enjoy experimenting with new recipes and techniques? A steam oven can be a great ally. It excels in cooking delicate foods like vegetables and seafood, but it's also capable of handling meat and baking bread. If your meals are usually simple or if you dine out frequently, a steam oven might not be as beneficial. Budget is another crucial factor. Steam ovens tend to be pricier than traditional ovens. However, consider this an investment in your culinary skills. Moreover, they are energy efficient, which could help in reducing your utility bills over time due to their quicker cooking abilities and lower energy consumption. For those with hectic schedules, the reduced cooking times offered by steam ovens could be a significant advantage. Imagine spending less time cooking and more time enjoying your meals. Steam ovens bring a splash of professional cooking right into your home. Are you ready to steam up your culinary game? We've steamed through the benefits and considerations of the steam oven. From unlocking enhanced flavor and texture in your dishes to preserving those crucial nutrients, a steam oven offers a myriad of culinary advantages. Its versatility stretches from baking bread to crafting tender, succulent meats, all while being remarkably efficient. Consider how this innovative appliance could revolutionize your kitchen routine and elevate your cooking game. Isn't it time your kitchen caught up with the professional world? Explore the possibilities and maybe make your next great kitchen discovery a steam oven. Happy cooking!